Many people want to avoid buying an apartment, townhouse, or villa because of strata levies. They see them as an unnecessary cost, but is this really the case?
Well, not really, because paying strata levies is a way to budget for the ongoing cost of owning a property.
And strata levies will cover such expenses as maintenance, saving for large-scale upgrades and paying building insurance, all things that people who own houses ultimately have to pay for themselves.
And your liability for these costs is proportional to the size of your lot. For example, if there are 40 units in a complex and they're all exactly the same, each unit owner will have to pay 2.5% of the cost of running the building and any large-scale improvements or maintenance.
So say the roof needed to be replaced and the cost was $200,000, you'd be liable for $5,000. But if you own a house and the roof needs to be replaced, even though it's smaller and say cost $25,000, you have to pay 100% of that cost.
So putting some of those potential costs into perspective may help you see that in some cases, strata levies aren't as big an imposition as you first thought.
Want to be an educated first home buyer? Check out our online course for first home buyers.
Avoid costly mistakes, make smarter decisions, and get into your first home sooner. Why waste time doing things the hard way?